Ciao world, English is not my native language, so excuse me if I made mistake during this video and excuse my pronunciation. We are going to talk about this motor driver, this brushless motor driver that I've built, and the way we can drive the motor using different pulse width modulation schema. The pulse width modulation schema is how the gate bridge are controlled to run the motor. So we are going to test these 4 pulse width modulation modes, and the first one is the high side of the driver is on pulse width modulation, is on when on pulse width modulation, and the low side is always on. If I take the picture, it will be more clear. Let's see. The high side is on pulse width modulation and the low side is always on. Then the high side is on pulse width modulation and the low side is always on. If you take a look at the second one, high side is always on and low side is on pulse width modulation. High side is always on and the high side is always on and the low side is on pulse width modulation. The high side is always on, the low side with pulse width modulation, and so on. Then two other different way of driving is the high side is on pulse width modulation and then is on. Let's see if I can take the picture. This one is how does it works. The high side is on pulse width modulation and then is on. Then the high side is on pulse width modulation, then is on. Then the high side is in pulse modulation, then is on. And so on, there, and there. The low side is the inversion of the high side, so it works like the high side but in inverted way. Then I have the H side is on, then on pulse width modulation. The H side is on. The I side, no, the I side is on, then on pulse width modulation. The I side is on, then on pulse width modulation, and the low side is the inversion of the I side, as we see. So let's compile this code here with the first schema. Then we can load this on the motor. We are loading. Then we can see how does it look like. It look like this. I speed it down, stop the meter, and it looks like this. Then let's check the other way of driving. For now I have one end, so I simply write 2, which is the same of writing the macro above. Let's upload. Okay, we have uploaded. Run this. This is the previous one. Let's see, this one is slightly different, as you can see. Then let's try the other two. Try the number 3. build and upload. Okay, then try to start the motor, and we can look how does the schematics, the pulse modulation schema is. It's like this. Then the last one, the number 4. Let's build and upload. And then run the motor. It looks like this. I forgot to tell you that the power consumption slightly change by pulse width modulation mode and by motor, of course. And for this last one we have tried 0.06 ampere. Okay. I hope you find this interesting.